How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, right here, I've got the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Now, this isn't going to be one of my phones that I'm going to be keeping. This is actually my girlfriend's phone.
Hello.
That's Daniela. She just ended up getting her Galaxy Z Flip 6, where she will be trading in her S24 Ultra for. She's a big fan of the Flip series, so I know this is a bit late, but hey, I gotta get you guys that sweet unboxing. So here's the phone itself. Got that nice shadow thing going on, just like all the other Samsung boxes have. Shout out Danny for letting me unbox this phone, and you guys are going to hear her live reaction of the phone and see what she thinks. But this is some quick stuff here. Ooh, oh, the shadow. Oh, y'all see that? The shadow kind of, okay, Samsung. I like that attention. All right, and then down there is UPC serial number. Y'all don't need to see that. All right. We will ramble about this phone as we're opening it. Let's just crack this thing open. We don't want to talk too much at the beginning. Let's move these off to the side. All right. Galaxy Z Flip 6. Now, let me show y'all real quick. We also got this clear case from Samsung Direct, so we'll show you guys how this case looks as well. So we're going to set that to the side. But hey. Well, what do you think? That's a real nice color. Okay, so we ended up going with the green.
It looks more aqua.
It kind of looks like, yeah, like an aqua green. You're right. All right. Let's see what's in here. Maybe there's a charging brick in here? Nope. All right.
Don't destroy my table.
All right, we got books. Yay! Quick start guide. This is actually really nice. I actually think this is a great touch that Samsung does, just because, like, if it's a older person or somebody that's never used an Android before, switching into the phone and they need help, like, setting up the phone, like, I feel like that's a really nice touch, Samsung. And they have little pictures and stuff too to make it look all cool. Yada, and that's it. Okay. Let's set those away to the side here. And focus on this thing here. Nothing with the box there. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful this thing is. Let's pop this thing out. Dang, son. Okay, let's take this little thing off. Dang. That is a nice color. So as I show you guys some, like, kind of close-ups of the phone. See that? Look at that. And there's Danny's hand. Real quick, just to tell you some specs there. This had more differences compared to the Fold. Just to be honest with you guys, we'll get some... Let's do a little peel here before I ramble on. There we go. But yeah, for starters, this inner display is a 6.7-inch OLED display. Now, this one will be reaching 120 Hz. However, the cover screen is a 60 Hz screen. So that's not going to be reaching it. However, it's a 3.4-inch cover display. Ooh, that hinge. Hold on. Give this a little flip, Daniela. Dang, okay.
This is so much nicer than the 5.
This hinge, yeah, this hinge definitely feels nicer. And to kind of get you guys a little size comparison, here's my Galaxy S24 Ultra. Sorry, my screen protector's a little crusty musty. But, like, honestly, height is pretty similar.
It's the same.
Now, obviously, this is a bit more boxier, but... Man, this is a super cool phone. We went over sizing. This comes out of the box with Android 14 with One UI 6.1. Look at that beautiful display. We got the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. Man, let's boot this thing up. Let's boot this thing up. Oh, there's me. Hey, guys. There we go. And what's new is these come with 12 gigabytes, excuse me, of RAM now, compared to 8 gigs. There we go. Compared to 8 gigs what the Z Flip 5 had. This comes in 256 or 512 gigs of storage with a 4,000 milliamp hour battery with 25 watt wire charging, 15 watt wireless, and you still get that reverse wireless charging, 4.5 watts. Cool thing here, we also got the IP rating. It's an IP48 dust and water resistance rating. Okay, so there's the cover screen. Boom, and there's the welcome screen. Take a look at that. Go ahead and hit start. We're going to agree to all here. We're just going to walk through. We'll do this all setup thing later. Let me continue without Wi-Fi. So we're just going to set this up as if we have no SIM or anything like that, just so you guys can see the little gist of it. But man, look at that. And we got an ultra-wide camera that is updated on this guy, so that's going to be really nice. So we actually get an upgrade in camera compared to the Fold 5 Samsung. Or Fold 6. Give the Fold some more love. That's all I'm trying to say, Samsung. Like, I want y'all to give some more love to the Fold. Okay, and then so we got our Google pop-up. Just kind of walk you guys through this. We'll skip this for now. And it does have a fingerprint sensor. It's going to be on the power button, just like the Fold. Dark theme, because we want dark theme. Oh, I should have shown you guys that. Okay, so every time you get one of these foldables, there's going to this pop-up thing here, taking care of your phone. Let you guys read that. And we're all set up. Ooh, and we got the green stock wallpaper on this bad boy. Dang, this feels nice. It's very thin, and the sides feel very premium. Whenever I got these foldable devices, I always went with the fold, but the flip, honestly, without a case, that feels nice. And then that nice cover screen, very usable. As you can see, I've clearly never used the flip before. Okay, touch and hold a little longer. Oh, okay, there we go. And then so you're able to swipe down with your different designs. All right, Samsung. All right, I'm not that Android illiterate. I don't need a whole tutorial. Okay, but yeah, you got your, can swipe through designs and stuff like that. Got your widgets. And the cool thing with these phones is that when you're using your selfie camera, shout out, this is my girlfriend's S24 Ultra we're recording on, you can use your front-facing cameras as selfies. So this technically has the best selfie camera in the smartphone market. Unfold that thing real quick. Ooh, man, this thing is good. It does feel very light too, which is nice. And like, it just overall feels very sturdy. The last time, man, I haven't held a flip in a while. Look at those corners. This feels really nice. To all of y'all that got a flip out there, I hope you guys like it, because this feels really nice. Out-of-box experience, very smooth as always. Let's go up here. Yeah, very, very smooth. Lovely 120 hertz display. The cool thing with these flips, compared to like some other flip phones like the Motorola, this actually, like, you can have this flipped up at any angle, like that, and it won't like either shut close or shut open. So you can have it flipped up to any angle. It's like when you're taking your pictures and stuff, you can kind of angle it, and there's like camcorder mode and stuff like that. That's kind of cool. There we go. So this is going to be quite a bit of a shorter video. Just showing y'all a quick unboxing. Ooh, love this. Got a little texturing there. Yeah, and I love this matte. This matte glass is so nice. This reminds me of the bespoke fridges, if y'all have ever seen those. But yeah, what do you think about this phone, Danny? You think you're going to like it?
I'm loving it so far. And then that matches the back. It looks
And look
so
at that.
good.
That's your physical SIM card. Apple. Comment down below if y'all like eSIMs or if you like the physical SIM, because I still like the physical SIM. Maybe I'm just old school like that. All right, what do you think about the phone? You ready? You excited to customize it and all that stuff? Oh, let me be a little aesthetic, because I know a lot of y'all that are watching this, probably the younger audience. There's my flip. Look at that. Wow. All right, guys. That's going to pretty much wrap up this video. Kind of show that off there. Look at that. Standing up. So brave and strong on its own. Guys, I can't believe I almost forgot to show you guys this case. Now, this is what you'll be getting. I'm just going to kind of tear this open here. This is the official Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 case, the clear case, so y'all can get my honest opinion on this thing. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so I didn't know the flip cases use the adhesive as well. Okay, so we got all our paperwork and stuff like that.
Oh, yuck. I don't like the adhesive.
Yeah, that kind of sucks. Oh, well, I won't put the adhesive side on for now. I'll just kind of give you all my honest opinion on how the case feels. Okay, that's definitely clear. Wonder if that just slides in there. Okay, feels very nice. I won't stick on the adhesive for now, but just want to get a feel of the case. I mean, I get it. The adhesive makes it stick better. It is what it is, but it feels really nice. You got this little gadget thing here. I believe you can like attach stuff. I don't think you can. You can kind of use it as a stand, but yeah, you can attach stuff on this and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. But very basic case. Nice clear case. It feels very nice. Doesn't feel cheap. But yeah, just kind of wanted to show you guys this real quick if you end up getting the clear case from Samsung's website or wherever you buy this phone. Alright guys, that's going to pretty much wrap up this video. Thank you guys for tuning in as always. This was the Z Flip 6 quick unboxing. And yeah, any last words, Daniela?
I love this phone already.
Okay, so she's going to be playing with this phone. And yeah, thank you guys again for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace!